welcome to Health and Productivity. For those who don't know me, my name is Lisa. I'm in the second year of my nursing and midwifery degree. I have 4 kids who have special needs, and I've been working with people with disabilities for 12 years now, both with physical disabilities and mental health problems, helping them live their best life. In front of a camera is new for me. I'm normally one who hides from cameras, but I really felt like this was something that needed to be made. What we're going to do is right here and now, it is the end of our pay fortnight. To help show people that even when you don't have much, you can still cook for yourself, you can still provide for your family, even if it means adjusting the plan a little bit. So my original plan for tonight was to make a chicken and mushroom risotto. However, we've ran out of mushrooms. So let's go for a walk and see what we've got. Oh, important note with the fridge temperatures. So we've got 3 degrees for the fridge and -19 for the freezer. Really important for keeping food not perishable. Okay, in the fridge we have some chicken that I pulled out to defrost last night. They're just some chicken thighs, we're going to use those. We've got some garlic and ginger, we may use that. And in the fresh produce drawer we have, I don't know if you can see it, we've got some lettuce, some spring onion, some cabbage, a couple of avocados and a cucumber. So what I'm thinking is we might do a chicken chow mein with the rest. Got some cabbage out, might grab some onions as well actually. That was a little bit weird, but okay. Make sure all the onion skin out. I'm just putting that in. I've got a little compost bin. If you don't have a compost bin, I suppose you can use the garbage bin or whatever kind of green waste you have available. Now what else do we need? We need our chicken. Oh no thighs. I have tenderloins. I thought it was thighs. That's okay, it's going to make the cutting up part of just that little bit easier. And for all of those Nazis that are going to come for me in the comments, I'm a healthcare girly. Gloves protect me, washing hands protects you. Same principle applies with food. If you've got cuts or whatever on your fingers, or if you might be wearing false nails, which you really shouldn't if you're working in the kitchen, but you might if you're at home, you want to wear gloves. So you don't want all of the bacteria that is in your cut or in your up under your nails to get into the food. But if you've got short nails, clean hands, you don't really need them. And here our rice bubbling away there. I might move it soon. going to have my back to you for just a little bit. That's okay. That rice needs just a little bit longer before we take it off the heat. Woks on the stove, and then put a little bit of oil in. Coating your chicken in corn flour is usually a good idea. It just adds a little bit to the dish. That said, I don't have any corn flour today, so we're just going to skip it. Okay, first thing we do here is just frying off our chicken. You can add salt and pepper, whatever kind of spices you want. At the moment I'm going to add a little turmeric because I'm trying to add a little turmeric to my diet at the moment just to help with some inflammation. But you do you, whichever one you like. Salt and pepper. My pantry tends to stay open while I'm cooking. It's probably open a little bit more often than I'd like. It's generally just because of the way my family is. They don't tend to shut things. Is that a little bit me? Probably a little bit, but is that a little bit me? Probably a little bit, but I feel like it's just everybody else's work. You can bring it over. You can't probably see much from there. Gently, there we are. And then we've got to add our vegetables. And this is just our onion and cabbage that we cut up earlier. Throw it in. Cook that just till the onions sort of almost see through. I'll show you. We will get there. Okay, we're back. I don't know what happened. We'll work that out later. Forget it. I don't even use a spoon, I just go, that was a bit much. And just I'll end up boiling it. The bottom of the pan will do that anyway. This is just to help the cabbage cook. My husband's not overly keen on not cooked properly cabbage, so it works. So it kind of ends up more like stock with the vegeta and the water. Okay, so the lid I wanted did not wash properly in the dishwasher, so I'm going to have to hand wash it. But in the meantime, I'm just going to use this bowl that we had earlier and use it as a lid. Okay, looks kind of funny. It works, just make sure you cover your hands when you pick it up, otherwise you'll burn your fingers. Might come back in a minute. Almost forgot curry powder. I don't know if I'm going to need to cover it again or not. I'm a klutz. It happens. Put some curry powder in there. This pot's cool enough for me to touch now. See, my slightly too big lid. Now we're going to add our rice, which is now cooked, into our wok with our other ingredients. I realise not everyone has a wok. I have a wok. It helps, especially when I'm cooking for 6. You can technically probably do this in a frying pan or possibly a big stock pot. Like if I didn't have the wok, I would use this pot. It's a pasta pot. It has the drainage thing. But I would use this pot. I have also done them in the big silver stock pots before. Just anything that's going to be big enough to store, to hold all the food in, basically. I may have slightly too much liquid in this right now, but that's okay. I'll just leave it unlidded and it will evaporate. I'm also making this a little bit early, just while no one else is home. So there will be plenty of time for that later. Review. There is our chicken chow-mein. It will feed the 6 of us. If you enjoyed this video, let me know. Let me know what you'd like to see next. Let me know if you'd like me to do a meal prep video or a grocery shop, how I plan my meals to last the full fortnight. I also know a lot of people on disability pensions also get paid fortnightly, and having to stretch that for the whole fortnight, along with anyone who might be single mum, lots of people. So if you want me to do how I plan my meals for the entire fortnight to feed my family of 6 who eat like a bottomless pit half the time, let me know, and bye for now.